Hi boys and girls, today we're going to review adding, subtracting, and multiplying fractions. First thing we're going to do over here, we're going to add mixed numbers. So we have 4 and 5/5 plus 1 and 3/5. So we start 5 plus 3 equals 8. And remember, our denominator stays the same. So we have 8/6. 4 plus 1 equals 5. So we have 5 and 8/6. Now remember, if your numerator is larger than your denominator, we need to divide because that's more of a whole. So we go up here to our division. So 8 goes in the house, 6 goes over here. 6 goes into 8 one time. 6 times 1 is 6. Subtract, we have 2 left over. So now we need to add this 1 to this 5. So 1 plus 5 is 6. Then what do we have left over? We have 2, 6. So 5 and 8/6 or 6 and 2/6. Let's look at this one. 15 and 5/9 plus 5 and 8/9. 8 plus 5 is 13. Our denominator stays the same. 15 plus 5 is 20. So again, 13/9 is an improper fraction. So we need to come up here and divide. So that goes in the box. And we're going to divide it by the numerator. So 9 goes into 13 one time. 9 times 1 is 9. 13 minus 9 is 4. So now we need to take this one whole here and add it to our 20. So that's going to make it 21, and we had 4 left over ninths. So it's 21 and 4/9. Let's look down here now we're going to subtract. So when we subtract, we start with our fraction side. Nothing minus 1/3. Well, we can't do that. So we need to borrow. So we're going to take 1 away from here, make this a 3. Remember, to make a whole, 3 over 3. So now we're going to subtract 3 minus 1 would be 2. Our denominator stays the same, 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, same thing over here. We cannot take 4 from 1. So we're going to have to change that. I'm going to do it a little different this time. Five-fifths would be a 1. We need to add that to the 1/5. So 5/5 and 1/5 would be 6/5. Now we can subtract it from 4/5. Okay, so 6 minus 4 is 2. Our denominator stays the same. 7 minus 6 is 1. 2 and 1/5. 1 and 2/5. Okay, now when we multiply, 6 times 4, 24 fifths. Again, we have an improper fraction, so we need to divide. We're going to divide the numerator into the denominator. I know that 5 times 4 gets me closest to 24 without going over. 5 times 4 is 20. Subtract leaves me with 4. So remember, this is our whole number up here now. So we have 4 and 4 fifths. Okay, let's look down here. 12 times 3 is 36. Our numerator stays the same. So now I'm going to need to divide. Again, it's an improper fraction. 4 into 36 goes 9 times. 4 times 9 is 36. Nothing left over. So it's not even going to be a fraction. It's just going to be a 9. Okay, now you have to use paper and pencil. You need to work this out. You're not going to be able to guess from the multiple choice. So make sure you have your scrap paper with you to work out your problems. Good luck. If you have any questions, let us know.